Do you ever feel like the world respects you, but at home you feel disrespected or worse, ignored? Why do even the 1% of men miss this key factor about respect in marriage? I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. I've studied and coached men who are providers, leaders, and high achievers for years. And what I've seen is that respect at home isn't automatic. It's built. Here are the top things elite men miss when it comes to creating respect in their marriage. Lack of curiosity. Curiosity is one of the first things to go in marriage. In the beginning, you wanted to know her thoughts, her dreams, her whole world. When curiosity fades, she feels ignored. And ignored women don't respect their husbands, they retreat. Curiosity is how you show you still matter. You're still interesting to me. Respect follows when she feels pursued, even years into the marriage. Desire gets lost. Daily duties replace desire. Attraction fades when passion is replaced by routine. When she no longer desires you, admiration slowly dies too. High-value men know respect at home begins with still being a man she wants, not just a man who pays the bills. That takes energy, effort, and intentionality. Are you at a place where you want to know the tools in order to rebuild respect in your marriage again? Download the free Marriage ROI Toolkit. It gives you 5 proven shifts that rebuild trust, admiration, and connection at home. Link is below. Number 3. Disrespectful remarks. Respect doesn't die in explosions. It dies in small cuts. The sarcasm, the jokes that sting, those little digs pile up until admiration is absolutely gone. High-value men don't tolerate this. They set boundaries with calm clarity. We don't talk to each other like that here. Respect lives when honor is protected. Number 4. No peace at home. Every high-valued man crave not only respect, but also peace when they come home after a long, hard-working day in the office. And you know what? Chaos kills respect. If the home feels like constant conflict, there's no room for admiration anymore. High-value men know their leadership isn't just about money. It's about creating an environment where their wives feel safe and secure. Respect grows in peace. Number 5, trusting his leadership. A woman's trust empowers a man. When she trusts you, when you know you guys are in good season, you can do anything. But what about the very hard seasons? What about that? When she shows trust, he rises into leadership. The reverse is also true. Constant questioning, constant doubt, constant second guessing crushes his ability to lead. Respect deepens when she lets him carry the weight, and he proves himself trustworthy in return. High-value men don't demand trust, they earn it. And when she freely gives it, it amplifies his leadership and multiplies her respect. Number 6, lack of support for his mission. Every man carries a mission, but respect shrinks when she feels left out, or worse, when she sees the mission as competition. Every wise man invites their wife into the mission. Here's what we're building together. When she feels part of it, she honors the focus. When she doesn't, she resists it. Number 7, broken trust. At the root of respect is trust. Once trust is broken, admiration collapses. No matter the income, no matter the achievements, if she doesn't trust you, she cannot respect you. Protecting trust is protecting respect. Lose it, and everything else falls. Listen, respect must be cultivated daily. In order to do that, grab the free Marriage ROI Toolkit below. These are 5 tools to help you build it back at home. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts and your results.